Hello friends, today I will show you the model of fraction. Here you can see here that how many parts is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Actually there are 10 equal parts and we have divided this into 10 equal parts, right? And if we take from here to here up to this part, this will be 1/10 part, right? This is 2 by 10 part, this is 3 by 10, this is 4 by 10, this is 5 by 10, this is 6 by 10, this is 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10 and by 10 by 10 in whole part. This is the model. I will show you the fraction, right? Let us increase this. Here it is 0 and all the parts are equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Now we'll take 1 by 10th part, right? Here you see we are taking it as 1 by 10th part. Here you see this part is 1 by 10 part. Here you see this is 1 by 10 part because one colored is this blue color and total number of part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore this part is 1 by 10 part, right? And if we take more 2 parts, then it will be here you see we have taken 2 parts, 1 parts and 2 parts and total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Therefore it is 2 by 10, right? It is 2 by 10. Now we'll take 3 by 10 part, 3 by 10, right? Let us increase this part. Here you see we have taken 3 parts, 1, 2, 3 colored and total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Therefore this is 3 by 10 part, right? This is the 3 by 4, fraction is 3 by 4 and if we again increase we will get we have taken 4 parts out of 10, therefore it is here you see it is 4 by 10, right? This part is 4 by 10 because 1, 2, 3 and 4 and out of 10 parts we have taken 4 parts, therefore this fraction is 4 by 10, right? If we increase this once again, here you see that we are getting 5 by 10 because we have taken 5 parts out of 10 parts. And if we increase this once again, here you see that we are getting 6 by 10 part because this is 6 part out of 10 part. We have taken 6 part out of 10 equal parts. And if we increase this once again, we are getting 7 part out of equal 10 parts. This is 7 by 10 fraction. If we increase this once again, then we are getting 8 by 10 parts because out of 10 parts we have taken 8 parts, right? And if we take more than that, that is 9 by 10. Here you see we have taken 9 parts out of 10, therefore this is 9 by 10 fraction, right? And if we take 10 by 10 parts, we are getting the whole number whole. Here you see this is 10 by 10, that means whole fraction we are getting 10 by 10, right? That is, this is 1 by 10. Out of 10 parts, if I take 1 part, it is 1 by 10. If we take 2 parts out of 10, that is 2 by 10, it is 3 by 10, it is 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 9 and 10 by 10 means the whole part, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.